Welcome. In front of me is a HAFURY Note 10, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification. So as you can see, the device at the moment allows me to unlock it either using the pattern or using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, let me quickly go back so you can connect to Wi-Fi. Now, assuming you don't know any of those, we're going to bypass this, and you want to be connected to Wi-Fi for this, which that's why I am doing it right now. Confirm. So apart from the Wi-Fi, you will also need a SIM card. I have already inserted my SIM card to the device, so yeah. And I'm just showing this off so you can see that the device is locked. So there's the account for Google to verify. So to start off, we're going to go back to the first page once you have inserted the SIM card, and from here you want to tap on emergency call, emergency information, then tap on the pencil and go to add contact. This will show up all the contacts that are on the SIM card. From here, choose any contact, and once you have added it, tap on the contact itself and then go to the three dots and share. This will bring up different share options, but from here what you want to do is hold the Gmail option. Make sure you hold it. This will bring up this window right here, and from here you want to go to app info. Then we are going to go to notifications, advanced, and additional settings in the app, and then tap on the three dots, go to help and feedback, and in the help and feedback option or search description you want to type in Morse code. MO, writing just MO seems to do the trick, so as you can see it's suggested use Morse code. Select it and you should see a video, so you want to tap on it. This will start loading it up, and once it's loaded up, tap on the three dots and go to watch later, and this will open up Chrome. So once you see Chrome, accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to log in. And in the search bar at the top you want to write HardReset.info. Like so. And then once you're on the website, tap on the three bars right here and go to the downloads category. Scroll down, and in the download field you want to search for Android 8. Like so. And there should only be one app available, so Google Account Protection Bypass and Android 8 application. Choose download. It will open up this website right here. Scroll down, and this time around you want to hold the download option and choose open an incognito tab, and this will solve a problem of the application sometimes not finishing the download. It reaches 100% and never wants to finish, and opening it incognito just removes that problem. So from here, continue, allow, OK, and wait for it to download. Once it has, tap on open. And before we can install it, you'll have to go to the settings, then allow from this source, check that on, and go back. And then tap on install. Once it's done installing, open it up, and from here you want to start by tapping Google Account Manager APK install. Select for version 6.0, and again we need to go into the settings, allow from this source, go back and install. This time around, once it's done installing, simply click on done and then tap on bypass FRP, choose browser sign in, and then tap on three dots, go to browser sign in again, and from here log in with your Google account. Now, if you don't have a Google account, you can create one. It doesn't cost anything. You also have the option to create it right here, although I would discourage that. I would strongly advise you to do it on a computer or just a different device, and then simply use it to log in here. Now the device doesn't need to be any kind of like old account. It can be just a account basically created for this purpose right here, a single use, and just forget about it. So yeah, once you have it, log in with it. I'm gonna use my own, and I'm gonna put in a password. And once it signs in, it goes back to the app itself. So from here, simply hold power key, select restart. Okay. And let's wait for it to restart. So I'm just gonna put in the PIN for the SIM card. And as you can see, we're now back in the setup screen. So let's progress through it once more. Now at this moment in time, you just want to skip as much as you can. It doesn't really matter what we set up here. So I'm going to be skipping basically everything I can. But the thing that I can see right here is account added, and it provides me with the account that I have added right before the reboot of the device. And this is the page that was previously telling us to verify our Google account. So it basically got overridden with the account that we have provided. Tap on next at the moment. Now I will mention that the device is still not unlocked, so we need to still continue the process. So again, skip this, or accept, skip, not now, skip anyway. Next, more, no thanks, no thanks. And as you can see, we're now done with the setup. So from here, let's go into the settings. And from settings, scroll all the way down to system, tap on advanced, and then reset options, and choose erase all data factory reset. And as you can see, one of the things that will remove is the Google account, and it provides me with the Google account that I have added, but will also remove the Google account that was blocking us from basically finishing up the setup. So tap on reset phone, erase everything, and at this moment, basically the device will begin unlocking itself. So this will take about like a minute to 3 minutes, something around this time. And once it's finished, we'll be back in the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. So as you can see, now the process is finished, and we can go through the setup once more. Now this time around, you can set up your device as however you like, but I'm gonna again skip most of it just to save on time. I'll also point out that, as you can see, I can skip the Wi-Fi connection, which wouldn't be possible if the device would be still unlocked. So obviously it's not locked anymore. And there we go. As you can see, the device is now fully unlocked. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.